Hey everyone! Xiaomi is known for high specs at low prices, and the monitor A24i is their latest play for your desk setup. It's ultra slim, has a 100Hz refresh rate, and it's considered cheap. But is it actually good for work and gaming? Let's find out. 1. Design and build quality. First impressions, this thing is thin. We're talking about 7.5mm at its thinnest point, which gives it a really premium and minimal look. The bezels are 3-sided micro, meaning the top and sides are almost invisible. The catch? The stand is pretty basic. It only tilts forward and backward. There's no height adjustment or swiveling here. However, it does have a VESA mount on the back if you want to put it on an arm. 2. The display specs. Now let's talk specs. This is a 23.8-inch IPS panel with 1080p resolution. Most budget monitors stop at 60Hz or 75Hz, but the A24i goes up to 100Hz. This makes scrolling through documents and casual gaming feel much smoother. It covers 99% of the sRGB color gamut, so colors look punchy and accurate enough for basic photo editing and binge watching Netflix. 3. Ports and connectivity. Connectivity is straightforward but functional. On the back, you will find one HDMI 2.0 port and one DisplayPort 1.4. Unlike older budget monitors, they didn't include a VGA port, which is a win for modern setups. Keep in mind, there are no built-in speakers or a headphone jack, so you will need to rely on your PC's audio output. 4. Daily performance and verdict. In real-world use, the IPS panel provides great viewing angles. So whether you are standing up or sitting to the side, the colors don't wash out. For a home office or a secondary monitor, it's hard to beat the value here. Although it lacks some pro features like HDR or high brightness, and by the way it caps at 250 nits, but for the price, it's a stunning entry-level screen. So if you want a clean, modern look without breaking the bank, the A24i is a top contender. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.